guys what your favourite ice cream flavour was, and the most popular flavours were Oreo cookie dough and salted caramel. I've made the other two, so it was definitely time to make salted caramel ice cream. You only need 3 main ingredients, though you could also add a salted caramel swirl if you wish. Double wrap it, then pop it in the freezer. It tasted absolutely amazing and it's so easy to make. Enjoy! Today we're going to be making gooey red velvet brownie cups for 2. Whisk together melted butter and granulated sugar until light in colour. Then add 1 egg, vanilla, white vinegar and strong red food colouring and whisk until combined. Add plain flour and cocoa powder and fold until just combined, then fold in white chocolate chips. Scoop into 2 ramekins, then top with more chocolate chips and bake in the oven until it's crisp on top and serve warm. Enjoy! Let's make a 1-pot mini eggs cheesecake. Crush up digestive biscuits and pour them into a ramekin, then mix with melted butter and press down gently. Add cream cheese, icing sugar and vanilla to a bowl and whisk until smooth and creamy. Then crush up half the mini eggs and fold them in. Scoop it onto the base and smooth it out, then refrigerate for 2 hours. Top with mini eggs for decoration, and that's it. Enjoy!